Samusi and Galamsey, R0bbery ever started with the minister himself. Manson Quanta, this assembly, you could real home. Card State Found in Eba, Educational Fund, the about office war. You know the right time was started the back with your magic.
I just wait me so that party and Kautuba
is almost penny sadia and for the right uniform and family platform. No money and meko. And yes, sadia, we are here, we are waiting for them.
I bet I have funti, Pasabia, sorry, and what for me, and the sin and Noka. Opa Bokron, if you dare, Opa, me dare. Stop, Galamsey, you have a jai. Power, you are Kobokron, you bet you have a boat. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is R0bbery. Subscribe, share. Baby, at be anamide. Unsa, I can be no wash. Once a bamboos, baby, R0bbery. The whole world will be a bamboos. Galamsey has been a thorn in the flesh of Ghana. Baby, I may say, sad problem with to Ghana. Say, sad problem with breedy. I want to use that word. Vigilantism was a dear bay. Breedy, lunatic people. Kwasi bi ofa camera see nani na oya o majo mahama warning and am say IGP won chin kwafo IGP we dey mi hu so that pare anka to besa ye ko hwe jimi for samra
this o madwen say o mo ba enne mi gina manim na meka o man mu nyina obi ahwema ni mama wo kura na meka sa kire o hwemanim ye na mom no ye post ma ye no eno nkire say ye ntena fie ndidi o samusi anya Galamsey ni dia R0bbery ye be start with the minister himself. Manson Quanta, this assembly, you could real home. Card State Found in Eba, Educational Fund, and this fence in your mask, say the ball mine brown. Say about office war, you know the right time was started the back. You have to show magic. It's almost penny sadia, and I'm for the right uniform and family platform. No money and meko. And yes, sadia, we are here, we are waiting for them. If they are man, we are man to wait them out. Me a carpenter by Messiah Galamsey. We school. Training college, Mamtech, the year 2018. Up to date, we post my. This means now say the common name. Galamsey no maye. Say Mahama, and now the next president. So you no be there by now. Or Mama Juma as a teacher. Before say Galamsey be there. By young post to me, I may set that's what that demon. Emma Menko we abo. Emma Menko Ibia. Intimate training college. Student me we 2018 up to date me post my me sa kwaye technical no by eno na me didun kakra entimi ma say bosom yensa no bi mfro say bla be adwuma ba Galamsey ne de bia me ginam me koso aye de to so biemu no se mama na asoma nkofo ne say omomla de a omfa the right uniform and family because untimi mfa na nkwansi ni atade nkogya classroom enkyera de untimi nkofa obi oton toast e odwom and ye man fan bank and bank say oh ye teller 1 teller 2 who this ma obi it is also soldier ni no oba over soldier tariemla so a police no oba over police tariemla we don't know someone who is called anti-robber you know obi a
I bet I have funti Pasabia sorry and what for me and the sin and Noka Opa Bokron ye be queen if you dare Opa me dare stop Galamsey ye be mama jai Power, you are Kobokron, you bet you have a boat. And nothing America say, maybe the Minya, give order to the military, go out there, when you see them on the water, shoot and kill them. 1990s, JJ Mother Bisa, R0bbery Saogana. Yehua, Patniaku, Nina say. Why is the government delaying? Because of politics. Yawaha and na NDC for because catch there. Omo to go and say, Yeba mama e Galamsey murefi. NDC for na kan you, enyim nam kan. Omo say Yeba be mo ye Galamsey, eno na omo ye no. Because asem na wo kan nra no eno na ababa wa hu nya wo ye eno na omo ye Galamsey na mo ka so mama ye no. So they are emboldened to come and say we do Galamsey. Like how dare say kwasia say school kronkobi or so twitwi ne say kwasia sa na nim tata no be jana oyeya me man pani kwasia sa. IGP, what are you doing? This guy needs to be arrested, jailed for life. Because you need to be the Galamsey problem, no, and idea it's going to wipe out Ghana from the map. And then your cocoa production has gone down. Yes, when you say, and we are still marking time. John Mahama, give the order, shoot to kill. That is the order you need to give. And we will support and back you. God, Jimmy, 40%. Oh, ye if you are ye be in a few. Mopa, ye you few. Somebody R0bbery will gun you down and kill you. So what Jimmy, and you want to be able say, who be a Galamsey now? What Jimmy? Yeah, who answers are near politics. And this Becca say, and people Becca say, Ghana be bought. And this will go. And people will go, Ghana will remain jobless. The youth may bomb cocoa. And R0bbery war. Now, say for the internet ability, you can sell online, you can do things, you can do skit like I'm doing and eat. And kwa ye Jimmy Sam, and kwa sham nem mungu so, sikani brenti, sikani chumunya kwa mopanya he. Sam kwa no, mako R0bbery. Kusi, takrase, hifakade, mako nyina. Omo good them na, omataya fee, because they don't have sense. Masam, kwa siasam kwa 4 years omoje. Jimmy Samsa. But only the work of what we have in Ghana will stop this lunatic practice. Don Maham, over to you. In Nigeria for the Pamacho. We are not driving you out. We are driving people who are causing menace in this country. R0bbery be Sibiana Nigeria ni room. 419. After put the almost start somewhere. The ma escort you see people. And then they'll blackmail you. That's the kind of thing that they are doing in Ghana. We need to wake up as people and think as Ghanaians and fight together so that we stay united. Yanka se mo bimba ye chrome because yes you could be chrome. But what ba now when your law abide there, you need to be kicked out. China for come kicking Nigeria for out long time. So the youth have every right. But the Americans say no violence. Your family so near say I Xposed HFM subscribe share. Me the 2 man answer can be manual.